Hello guys, welcome to Network Pro channel. Last video I already showed you how to use Cisco Packet Tracer, and in this video we start to configure basically Cisco router. And let's pull out one router and one PC. Connect them. Okay, we click on router. You can see we have CLI tab. This is command line user interface. Of course, Cisco also support web interface to management, but nobody uses. I recommend we use CLI. After router booting up, it shows the configuration dialog, and we choose no here. Okay. From here you can see the character mean we are in the user exec mode. In this mode we have only limited control. For example, we can take this command. To know what command you can take, you can type question mark here, and it shows what command we can do. You can see we have this command, and in this mode we often use show command to display the information we need. Show, and we can show this information. Okay, and in this mode we cannot configure anything. From here you can see we have this command enable to take. You can see enable, it turn on the privilege mode. This mode is we can say this mode is full control. In this mode we can full control this router. Question mark again, and then we can see we have more commands here. For example, show command, also show commands. You can see we can show more information, right? More information. We can show everything. And the last mode, but in this mode we cannot configure anything. We just show and do some test command like ping or jroot. If you want to configure router, we enter the config terminal mode. By you can try config terminal. Sorry. Config terminal. Yes, you can see the config here, and from this mode we can configure router. So now we will try to configure basic commands. The first command I show you here is change the host name of router. Host name we can change to, for example, R1. Yeah, R1. The second command is no IP domain lookup. this command. Mm, why we should use this command? Because during the configuration, sometimes we have we got mistake. For example, if I don't enter this command, so sorry, in this mode, for example, you can see when we try a wrong command, the router try to translating what we type into domain name, because it try to look up what we type here, what is this, so it takes time to break it. We can Control Shift to break it. It take our time, right? So to avoid it, we can configure no IP domain lookup. Okay, that is again. When we type wrong command and the router shows wrong command, and we can continue to configure. Okay. Next command is we can set the password to enter the privilege mode. You see, when we disable to return to user exit mode, when we enable no password requirement, right? So if you want to set password here, we use this command enable secret, and we type the password we want, Cisco for example, and then tap it, disable, enable. Now we have to enter password Cisco. One more comment about password is we can turn on service password and encryptions. This command will encrypt every password we use in the configuration file. This provides security, right? For example, we use this command username admin password Cisco, but when we show the running config file, yeah, you can see the password is encryption. Then nobody can know the password. Next command is we can set password for to management the router on the console line. We can enter line console 0 and set password Cisco for example, and login command. Okay, now we test it. Yeah, when we enter the router, it requires password, then we have to type correct password to enter the user exit mode. Enable config terminal. Another way to manage the router is we can remote management by Telnet or SSH to set password to to log in we use line VGY04. 04 means we have totally 5 seasons, 5 management season. Password login, and we have to define the method transport input question mark. We have telnet, HCNA, or we can choose all protocol. Okay. The last basic commands I show you here is the banner mode. We can configure banner to display when someone log into the system. Banner mode, for example, welcome to Network Pro. And that's it. Yeah, you can see the comment here.